Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. The first event we'll be watching is Australia's retail sales. There's no trade room, but we like to watch at 9:30 p.m. this Monday to see if it'll move the Australian dollar. Our first trade room is Tuesday at 4 p.m. for the crude oil API report. Wednesday, 8 a.m., we've got core CPI on family money trade. 10 a.m., crude oil inventories. 12:30 p.m., we're back in the trade room for the 10-year bond auction, another family money trade. And then we finish out Wednesday in the trade room at 3:30 p.m. for Disney's earnings. At 9:30 p.m., there is a Chinese news report, their yearly CPI PPI, that we like to watch. Thursday at 2 a.m., there's a British GDP preliminary GDP manufacturing production report. We also like to watch, no trade room. Our first trade room on Thursday will be 6:30 in the morning for the Bank of England official bank rate. We'll come back at 8 a.m. for the core PPI unemployment claim report, 10 a.m. for natural gas, and 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. Friday, we'll be in the trade room at 9:30 in the morning for preliminary University of Michigan, and then 11:30 a.m. for the WASD report. Some good action this coming week: WASD, University of Michigan, the bond auctions, the Bank of England official rate, and of course the family money trades, core CPI, and the 10-year bond auction will definitely keep us busy. Will also give us opportunities for profit. So if you're not a trade room member, make sure you get into the trade room and take advantage of all these potential opportunities coming our way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the trade room next week. This is Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.